Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Hermes 3000 here, and it's all fixed up. It had a few problems, mostly basic service, but I have it all apart, and I got a little extra time on this one, I think. Well, I'm gonna make some extra time. What I'm just gonna do here is I never, these are always what I consider a little light bell action. So when the carriage comes across this way, it hits this trigger and then ding, not very loud. Even at the best case scenario, not very loud. Comes back this way past the carriage, so it does need this clearance between the clapper and the bell. Seems excessive, but that's the way it works. So I've already flushed this little pivot because I thought that was slowing it down, but it's just, I'm going to replace that spring right there and make it a little stronger. It shouldn't affect anything else besides louder bell. So let's do that. Let me get this a little more in position here, and let's see how quickly I can do this. Now I don't like it already because this loop here is all the way looped around. See, it's a closed loop. This side does remove. Get a different spring hook here, but they do, sometimes they make these. Oh, this side looks like it's looped shut too. But we're just gonna pry the spring off of here and put a new one on here. Yeah, they got these looped up pretty good on here. Those Swiss engineers weren't messing around with their, they didn't want this spring to come off any which way but loose. So I had a lot extra loop. I don't think ours is going to do that because it's rather difficult to put on that way. So let me find a spring. I got a whole slew of springs here, and it's going to be a pretty lightweight one. So let's dig toward the bottom of my pile here because that's where the light ones end up being. So it's got to be close to this one, but a little stronger. Very small. And let's see this one right here. So one way to test these to see how they compare to the other one is just stretch it together here. So you put the other one against the other one and see how it stretches. See, the one on the left there is stretching, so this one's on the right is much stronger, and it may be a little long there, but I might just try it real quick like anyhow, just to see if this guy wants to roll in the camera. The spot right here. This guy is a roller. Okay, let's bring this back in the frame. Let's see if I can get this on without too much delay here, and see if this helps any, or if I just wasted my time. But I'm gonna give this a shot. I know I've done a few of these, but it's got a tight loop too. It's not making it around. Even this one, there we go. Okay, the other one's going to be a little trickier because it's like, it's got to come through this little hole here. How cool is that? Okay, let's do it. Let's see if I can connect this guy up. Come on, baby. Almost got it. Yeah. Come on. Capture that sucker. Got it. Alright, let's get this over here. And there it is. Okay, let's pretend. I don't think that's that much stronger. And I'll tell you why. I don't think that. I think that spring is a little too short, or a little too long. I am going to shorten it. So we're just going to have to spend just another minute with this, a couple minutes, and get this thing strengthened just a little. Let me get some clippers up here. Alright, so we're just going to shorten this guy up and make it a little stronger for our needs here. I'm going to take off a couple loops here. Fingernail. Right, like that. I'm just going to fold it over, see there? And then I'm going to cut that off. Right there. Maybe. Let's try it again. Right. Okay, got it. It's just being a little picky. I want to cut here. Should have cut. That's alright. That's being a little picky. Let's see if I can get this through here like this. Doesn't want to cut this little guy. Maybe I need a better pair of dikes. There we go. Well, it's still got one extra loop I don't need. Let's see if I can get this cut off here. There we go. So now I just got that loop. And that's actually probably okay the way it's sitting. It's not perfectly straight, but it doesn't probably need to be. In this particular application, let me get my right captive spring hook here. And let's connect this guy up like we did once already. Let's see which way the loop is on this. I don't see it. I think I see it. Alright, gotta steady my hand here. It's a little shaky as usual. Come on. Come on there. Okay. Let's do it the same way as before. Pull this through. Pull this up. Capture it. Bring it in here, loop it around, this little connection point here, just like that. We got it. All right, let's try it again. I like it. It is definitely stronger and should work out just fine. All right, that is one way to strengthen the bell. That is my 10-minute video on Hermes increased bell loudness video. Good day.